Benefits of abacus learning. Learning the abacus, also known as the saraban, can have a variety of benefits for individuals of all ages. Here are some of the potential benefits of abacus learning. Improves mental math skills. Abacus learning helps individuals to perform complex calculations mentally and quickly. This can improve their mental math skills and make them more confident in their abilities to solve mathematical problems. Enhances concentration and memory. Learning to use the abacus requires intense concentration and memory recall. Practicing with the abacus can help individuals improve their concentration and memory retention skills. Develops problem-solving skills. Using the abacus to solve problems requires individuals to break down complex problems into smaller parts, helping to develop their problem-solving skills. Boosts confidence and self-esteem. As individuals become proficient in using the abacus to solve mathematical problems, they can develop a sense of confidence and self-esteem in their abilities. Provides a fun and engaging way to learn math. Abacus learning can be a fun and engaging way to learn math, making it more accessible and enjoyable for learners of all ages. Enhances brain development. Learning to use the abacus can help to enhance brain development by stimulating neural pathways and promoting the growth of new neural connections. Overall, abacus learning can provide numerous benefits for individuals of all ages, helping them to develop important skills in math, concentration, problem solving, confidence, and brain development. Thanks for watching.